Today for school lunch, I'm packing lunch for Bella. Her mom told me that she loves cereal, so I sent her that. I also sent her some bacon, but I made sure it was turkey bacon because that's her favorite. I sent her one juicy egg, and of course I sent her some berries to keep her nice and healthy. I also sent her some orange juice with the pulp. But the orange juice was a little slippery, but I managed to get it back into the cup. I sent her a straw, but there was a little cat hair on the straw. Hopefully Bella does not notice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Follow for more.